Hi boys and girls, today we're going to practice measuring on a number line. So let's read the directions. Read it with me. Ready? Use the number line to complete the sentences below. Draw a pencil that is 10 centimeters in length on the number line. So first we're going to complete these sentences. Look at this, it says centimeters, so each one of these bars is a centimeter. Alright, so look at that, and it says the key is blank centimeters in length. So I'm going to look at the key, and it starts on the 2. But does it go right here? Nope, so we gotta start counting right where it starts. So I'm gonna count the bars that it covers. It starts here and ends here. So you could do 5 minus 2, or you can count the bars. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. The key is how many centimeters in length? That's right, the key is 3. I'm gonna try to write it here. Okay, the key is 3 centimeters. And then let's look at the fish. Look where the fish starts. Okay, it starts right there, and it ends here. I want you to count in your head, or count with me. Let's see how long the fish is. Ready? So the fish is how many centimeters in length? We're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The fish is 6 centimeters in length. So you have the key is 3 centimeters in length. The fish is 6 centimeters in length. All right, and then it says draw a pencil that is 10 centimeters in length on the number line. Let's see if we can get my pencil to work. It's going to start at 10, so I'm going to draw right here. Alright, that's just going to be my pencil, okay? So there it is. Let's draw another line. Alright, sorry, that's the best I can do. There's my pencil, alright? Okay, let's go to the next page. Alright, so there's an example. We got our answers right. The key is 3 centimeters, the fish is 6 centimeters. We're going to skip that problem. Okay, we're going to do this one. See and show. Okay, so look up here. Look, this one starts at 20 and ends at 30. The crayon is, so remember, it starts at 20, but it's not 29 centimeters. So you start at 20, and you're going to count how many boxes it takes. So let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The crayon is 9 centimeters long. The paper clip is, let's count. Remember, it starts here and we count once we get to the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The paper clip is 5 centimeters long. All right, check the slide for your math assignment today and watch this video again if you need more help. And good luck, guys. Bye.